Good afternoon, everybody. It is Valentine's Day. I am in Boca servicing this dog urine issue. This is a carpet that we just dragged out of the kids' room. Just absolutely saturated. I don't know if you can see it, but you probably can. These stains just right here. I'm not going to mess with the carpeting anymore. But so the parents are concerned because there's two. He has the same car that I've got. The parents are concerned that there's harmful bacteria. Obviously, they have two young children in the home, which is beautiful. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and service. We will service the AC. We've already given a preliminary inspection. We're going to deliver the chemical process through the recirc here, as we've done many, many times. Oh, where's my black light? Here we go. So you'll be able to see this on the floor. This actually was from that's the carpet outside, but that was in this room. We moved some furniture. Let me do this. All right, so it actually soaked through, and this is a crib. Nobody's, I don't think, sleeping in the crib anymore because of all these plush toys. But the urine's down to the floor, and so we're going to service all the floor in here, not just this room, but the living room area as well, the kitchen area, the master bedroom, and then back here specifically in this tiled extension section of the home where we weren't able to effectively use the UV light because it's so bright, obviously, with the pool, and there's no shades here. But they have said that the animals have urinated here, and so we need to treat this super heavy in order to get down into the cracks and crevices where there would normally be grout. And there is grout here. So yeah, and that's cement, which is really porous. So we're going to service that, and then we'll finish up with the AC system to make sure everything smells fresh and clean. And that's really basically it. We are luxury home odor removal specialists, and we look forward to earning your business as well. Thanks for viewing.